Hello everyone. Today, I will walk you through everything you need to know about using Amazon Prime Video. We'll cover signing up, navigating the platform, finding and watching shows, and adjusting playback settings, and more. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about getting access. To use Prime Video, you will need an Amazon Prime account. If you're already a member, great, you're all set. But if not, just open any browser on your mobile phone or PC, go to the search bar and type in create Amazon Prime account. Hit enter and you will see some links. But if not, just head to amazon.com and select try Prime at the top of the page, and Amazon offers a 30-day free trial for new users, which is a perfect way to try out Prime Video and see if it's right for you. Once you have an account, simply go to Play Store, click on search icon and search for Amazon Prime. Now, install Amazon Prime Video on your mobile phone and click on Open. Now, after opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. Here, click on the Create Account button if you don't have an account. Enter your first and last name, your mobile number or email, create a password, then click on Continue to create an account. Now, if you want to sign in, simply click on Sign In button, add your email or phone number, click on Continue, add your password, and click on Sign In. Now, after you click on Sign In, you'll be instantly navigated to your Amazon Prime Video dashboard. Now, this will ask who's watching, so choose your name now. So this is the main Prime Video landing page where you will see a range of content options, from trending movies and popular TV shows to Amazon originals. Now that you are in Prime Video, you will notice a few ways to find content. First, there are various categories like movies, TV shows, and live TV. You can also browse genres like action, comedy, drama, and documentary just on this page by scrolling down. And if you're looking for something specific, use the search icon at the bottom right side of the screen and you will see search icon. Here, you can browse by genres like action, anime, comedy, documentary, drama, and fantasy. So go to the search bar and type in the title and click on the name. Now, you will see that movie appearing in this list. Simply click on any of the movie that you want to watch. For example, this one. Now, you will see this page where it says how do I watch this. So if you want to watch the trailer of this, you can click on trailer and you'll be able to see the trailer of this movie and decide if you want to watch it or not. Now, you can go back and you can also add this to watch list by clicking on this plus icon. If you like this, simply select like. If you want to share it to another person, click on share and choose through which medium you want to share this movie. Now, in order to watch this movie, you will have to click on this how do I watch this button. When you click on this button, it is going to show you a notification saying check your email or WhatsApp. We have sent an email message to the email you would have entered and WhatsApp message to your number with additional information. So click on dismiss and navigate to your WhatsApp. Now you will see a message by Prime Video. If you don't see it here, you will see it on your email page. So simply search for this message and as you can see, you'll have to basically click on continue to Prime Video button and you will land on detail page. So on this detail page, you'll have to click on this rent button just right here. If you want to get more purchase options, click on this button and you can rent HD and SD. So I will choose rent HD. Now it will take me to this page where I will have to sign in using my user credentials. And after signing in, this will take me to this page where it says this much money will be charged for this rental. You will have 30 days to start watching this video and 48 hours to finish once it started. Downloads are unavailable for renters. So this video will be basically rented to you for a specific period of time. In my case, it's 48 hours. Now choose a payment method, complete the payment and click on continue. After click on continue, the video you rented will appear in My Stuff under Prime Video application. So that is how you can rent and watch any movie on Amazon Prime Video. Now I'm going to talk about one of the perks of Prime Video. It is the access to Amazon originals, exclusive movies and series made by Amazon like The Marvelous Mr. Maisel and The Boys. You can find these under Amazon Original Series page. They are available to Prime members at no extra cost. Also, when you find a show or a movie you are interested in but you're not ready to watch it, simply add it to your watch list by selecting that movie and clicking on the plus icon under watch list. Also, while watching a show, you can tap on the screen to access playback settings. So, for example, I will play this, and while watching a show, you can tap on the screen to access the playback settings. Here, you can choose subtitles at the top by clicking on this small subtitle icon and choosing the language of subtitles. You can also choose the audio for your subtitles for the language you want. Now, you can also click on subtitle settings and do more adjustment like size, format, and subtitles and audio. But we are going to skip this. Now, you can click on three-dotted icon at the top right and you can zoom in and zoom out. You can play next and watch from beginning. Also, you can exit playing this video. You can click on settings icon and choose to use highest quality on Wi-Fi toggling switch. Now you can click on the play icon and watch this movie pretty easily. Now another handy feature is profiles, which lets each family member have their own customized watch list and recommendations. Now you can click on switch profiles button and choose who's watching. Now there will be you. You can add your name, your kids. You can add on click new and add a new family member's name. Then click on save and it is going to create a new profile with their name. Now anyone can switch by clicking on their name and it will open up their account. This way, everyone can have their own viewing experience without mixing up watch history or recommendations. Also, Prime Video isn't just for movies and series. You can also watch live sports and events, and that's a wrap up on using Amazon Prime Video. Now you're ready to explore the platform and make the most of your subscription. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.